यह सबसे बड़ा है। दिस इज द बिगेस्ट। दिस इज द बिगेस्ट। तुमने कुछ कहा क्या? डिड यू से एनीथिंग? डिड यू से एनीथिंग? क्या तुम कुछ पीना चाहते हो? डू यू वांट टू ड्रिंक एनीथिंग? डू यू वांट टू ड्रिंक एनीथिंग? उसने कुछ नहीं सोचा। He did not think anything. He did not think anything. यह कुछ भी नहीं है। This is nothing. This is nothing. इसे कोई भी बना सकता है। Anyone can make it. Anyone can make it. कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything can happen. Anything can happen. वह कुछ नहीं चाहता। He wants nothing. He wants nothing. मुझे कुछ खाने का मन हो रहा है। I feel like eating something. I feel like eating something. मुझे कुछ करना है। I have to do something. I have to do something. क्या तुमने कुछ खाया पिया है? Have you eaten or drink anything? Have you eaten or drink anything? क्या आपको कुछ याद आता है? Do you remember anything? Do you remember anything? कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. क्या तुम्हें कुछ याद आ रहा है? Is something coming to your mind? Is something coming to your mind? मुझे कुछ और समय चाहिए। I need some more time. I need some more time. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम्हारा वक्त आएगा। Your time will come. Your time will come. कुछ भी संभव हो सकता है। Anything is possible. Anything is possible. कुछ खास है क्या? Is there something special? Is there something special? कुछ नया करो। Do something new. Do something new. मैंने पढ़ाई की है। I have studied. I have studied. कुछ दिख रहा है क्या? Is something visible? Is something visible? वह क्या है? What is that? What is that? यह कौन है? Who is this? Who is this? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? वह कहाँ गई है? Where has she gone? Where has she gone? वह किसकी दोस्त है? Whose friend is she? Whose friend is she? आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? तुम्हारी गाड़ी कैसी है? What is the condition of your car? What is the condition of your car? वह किसे पसंद करती है? Who does she like? Who does she like? तुम्हारा पता क्या है? What is your address? What is your address? तुम्हें क्या मिला? What did you get? What did you get? आप कब आओगे? When will you arrive? When will you arrive? यह कितना भारी है? How heavy is this? How heavy is this? ऐसा कितनी बार हुआ है? How many times has this happened? हाउ मैनी टाइम्स हैज़ दिस हैपन्ड? तुम्हारा दोस्त कौन है? हु इज़ योर फ्रेंड? हु इज़ योर फ्रेंड? तुम्हें कौन पसंद है? हु डू यू लाइक? हु डू यू लाइक? तुम्हारा भाई क्या काम करता है? वॉट डज योर ब्रदर डू? वॉट डज योर ब्रदर डू? वह कब खाना खाएगा? When will he eat? When will he eat? तुम अपना काम कब पूरा करोगे? When will you finish your work? When will you finish your work? वह बाजार कब जाएगा? When will he go to the market? When will he go to the market? तुम कब उठते हो? When do you wake up? When do you wake up? कौन आया? Who came? Who came? मेरे जूते खो गए हैं। I have lost my shoes. I have lost my shoes. उन्होंने मेरी सहायता की। They helped me. They helped me. यह मेरी छोटी किताब है। It is my small book. It is my small book. वह मेरा बड़ा भाई है। He is my elder brother. He is my elder brother. यह ठंडा पानी है। This is cold water. This is cold water. वह गाड़ी में बैठा है। He is sitting in the car. He is sitting in the car. वह बहुत आलसी है। She is very lazy. She is very lazy. मेरी बहन बहुत सुंदर है। My sister is very beautiful. My sister is very beautiful. तुम्हारा विचार बहुत अच्छा है। Your idea is very good. Your idea is very good. वह बहुत स्वस्थ है। He is very healthy. He is very healthy. समय बहुत कीमती है। Time is very precious. Time is very precious. यह कमीज नई है। This shirt is new. This shirt is new. वह बहुत अलग है। He is very different. He is very different. सवाल बहुत कठिन है। The question is very difficult. The question is very difficult. वह बहुत शरीफ है। He is very honest. He is very honest. यह बिल्कुल नया है। This is completely new. This is completely new. वह समझदार बच्चा है। He is an intelligent child. He is an intelligent child. वह बूढ़ा आदमी है। He is an old man. He is an old man. उसका विचार आधुनिक है। Her idea is modern. Her idea is modern. यह लोकप्रिय गाना है। This is a popular song. This is a popular song. क्या तुम्हारे पास कैमरा है? Do you have a camera? Do you have a camera? तुमने मुझे कभी नहीं देखा है। You have never seen me. You have never seen me. मुझे भूख लगी है। I am angry. I am hungry. मुझे घर जाना है। I have to go home. I have to go home. मेरा नाम क्या है? What is my name? What is my name? मुझे दर्द हो रहा है। I am in pain. I am in pain. मैं दरवाज़ा बंद कर रहा हूँ। I am closing the door. I am closing the door. चुप रहो. Be quiet. Be quiet. मैं आपका नौकर नहीं हूँ. I am not your servant. I am not your servant. बहुत अच्छा किया. Well done. Well done. मेरी माँ मुझसे नाराज़ है. My mom is angry with me. My mom is angry with me. मेरी छुट्टियाँ शुरू हो गई. My holiday have started. My holidays have started. मुझे गर्मी लग रही है. I am feeling hot. I am feeling hot. वह यहाँ आ सकता है. He can come here. He can come here. इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. It does not mean anything. It does not mean anything. वह अकेली बैठी है. She is sitting alone. She is sitting alone. तुम अकेले क्यों हो? Why are you alone? Why are you alone? यहाँ बहुत अकेलापन है. There is a lot of aloneness here. There is a lot of aloneness here. वह अकेला सो रहा था. He was sleeping alone. He was sleeping alone. यह एक उत्तम विचार है. This is a great idea. This is a great idea. स्कूल आज बंद है. School is closed today. School is closed today. हमें मिठाई पसंद है. We like sweets. We like sweets. हमें अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहना चाहिए. We should be with good people. We should be with good people. मैंने खुद को अकेला पाया. I found myself alone. I found myself alone. वह अकेला चला गया है. He has gone alone. He has gone alone. यह किसी का नहीं है. This is not anyone's. This is not anyone's. उसने कुछ नहीं कहा. He said nothing. He said nothing. उसने किसी से पैसे मांगे. He asked someone for money. He asked someone for money. कोई नहीं था. There was no one. There was no one. क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ है? Do you have anything? Do you have anything? वह कुछ भी कर सकता है. He can do anything. He can do anything. वह सब कुछ कर सकता है. He can do everything. He can do everything. उसने किसी से मिलने की कोशिश की. He tried to meet someone. He tried to meet someone. तुम्हें कोई बुला रहा है. Someone is calling you. Someone is calling you. यह सबसे आसान है. This is the easiest. क्या तुमने कुछ खाया है? Have you eaten something? Have you eaten something? कुछ नहीं हुआ. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. कुछ और चाहिए. Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? मैंने कुछ नहीं पकड़ा. I did not catch anything. I did not catch anything. कुछ तो हो रहा है. Something is happening. Something is happening. कुछ समय के लिए बस यही करो. Just do this for some time. Just do this for some time. कुछ लाओ. Bring something. bring something